Hey, this video's on this Weeylite, this WE9 RGB light. So we're gonna go ahead and open this baby up and test it out. Okay, warranty card, directions. The main roll part. All right, what I'm gonna do is just pull all these parts out and get them lined up, and then see what we got, see what we're dealing with here. It looks like about it. Nothing under there. All right. Okay, this thing comes with 4 or 5 pieces here. You got your actual light piece, and then this is the stand, and then it's got your charger here, USB either into the wall or into your computer, and then this is for some rotation, some extra movement and mounting. And then here, look at this. I like this. This has got multiple movements here. So it's got a swivel down here that you can tighten right there. And then it's also this piece moves too. So we'll go ahead and get this thing assembled. Well, here's how these pieces work. So, I mean, this is self-explanatory here, pretty much. I'll show you, we'll go through it all. You know, this is gonna be your dimmer and power and all that stuff and how to charge it. But first things first, let's get our base down here. And so you might be opening this up going, how the heck does that open? What's the deal? So what it is this piece right here unscrews and it actually goes on top. So this is just for efficiency purposes of packing, right? So now you have your base. They don't show you that in the directions either. So there's your base, and then you can screw in your attachments, right? You can do this one. We'll just start with this one. Then you can put this one on, and then it's got a tightener right there too. See, this will move around as you tighten or loosen that right there. So this just goes right on here, and then you can screw your light in right there, right? So to move that around, get some mobility out of this, it's just like that. Loosen that up and it'll move around, and then you get it to where you want it, and then you tighten it. So turn that all the way, and then the light just screws right on that piece right there. So that's pretty cool, right? There's the setup right there. So now to get this, see that little slot right there? That just fits right in here, which is really nice. It just fits right in there, and then you can put your phone. You can put your phone in there. Your phone just clamps right into that, and it'll fit most of your phones. Just expands, and then, like I said, you can move it around too. So it just slides right in there, and then tightens up. That way it doesn't slide out. Now you can do whatever you want with this here. Do it like that, whatever. It's got a swivel right up there too, and that'll tighten as well, right? So now it won't move as much. So this thing this has a lot of versatility for angles and all that. So let's go ahead and plug it in. I'm gonna go ahead and take the phone mechanism off just for now. Okay, I just plugged it in. Now you might be going, well, what's this for right there? So the nice thing about this is you can put these in series. Like if you have more than one, you just go plug your USB into there and then plug it into here on your other light. Okay, now to power on this thing, that's your power button right here. Go ahead and hold that down. There we go. Cool red light. Now you can adjust your light there. Got all kinds of different modes. So that will press the mode, and if you want brightness, you can go extra bright there or dim. Knock the dimness down. Change it up again. Okay, you just got like some yellow light. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. Red. Bright red. Real bright red. Or nice and dim. That's kind of cool. Go ahead and change it up again. Okay, off, on one. Okay, let's do the next one. Yellow, bright yellow, red again. Okay, so to stop that blinking, you see the adjustments here? One thing I didn't show you before is you can push on that, right? You see the speed is normal. You can adjust that. You can adjust your colors. It'll do green too. It'll do green light as well. So switch modes again. So you got 3 adjustments here. So you can push on that and then you do this. Right, so that gets your power down or power all the way up. Adjust there. So if you want to switch, now if you want to go to green light, you push this. Now it'll go to green. And that'll give you your green hue. And then if you want to go blue, it'll do blue light. There we go. There's what we want. So it'll flash, and then that's our blue. Then we can go white light. And yellow light. I'm gonna crank them all the way up. There we go. All right, kind of one last thing I wanted to show you is the portability of this thing. Look, it's not plugged in, so you can set it, you know, you can take it with you. So that's nice. It's got a good battery in there, and so I need to charge it up some more, but it lets you know what percentage your light's at, you know. This thing's great. So yeah, I recommend getting one of these puppies. And so this portability is super nice, because all the other ones I've had, you've had to plug them in and leave them plugged in, but that is a real nice feature. All right, thank you for watching.